Hi guys, how you doing? Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your wiper blades on your Audi Q5. These usually about the same as the Passats. They go across a lot of the Volkswagen models. Audi, Volkswagen, Audi, Porsche. So this is how we're going to do it. Okay, so you're going to come inside of the car. Use this, the controller here. You go up to where it says vehicle, right? Push it down. Then you push this across that way. Across. And now we're going to have all of these menus here. You're going to go down to service and checks. Push that. Then you push wiper change position. And as you push on it, the wiper blade should come right up. You see? And it sets right there like that. Yeah guys, this is the part number you're going to need. In case you want to go to Volkswagen and buy them there, I ripped this one open already, but as you can see, this is the part number for the small one that goes onto the rear window. You can take a screenshot of that, and that's the part number for the front. I like to prefer to buy them from the dealership. Pick them up from off the windshield. See this little button right here? This is the button you're going to push on that. I'm just using one hand. Push on this little button, and then it should slide right out of the top of it here. Can't be doing it, but okay, there we go. I actually did it with one hand. That's how you do it. That's how you take it out. When you replace it, same thing. Just do it backwards. Push it back in, snaps right in, put it back down. And as you get back into the car, now you see it's up there. We're gonna change it back down. So all you're gonna do is just tap on this. Let's just tap on it. See that? Brings it right back down. And when it comes to changing the rear, you pull this off of this. You notice on the inside here, this basically just snaps right out. You just pull on it, just pops out like that. And then when you want to put the new one in, see that little area? This is where you want to put it, right in here. It pops right back in there like that. Nice little snap down, and that's the rear.